Welcome to MMM Nigeria. My name is Kanu Chinwe. I'm here to explain to you MMM. The first M stands for Mavrodi, the second M stands for Mondale, and the third M stands for movement, which means Mavrodi Mondale movement. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation. MMM is a social network that connects the people, that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. There is no central account where money is being stored like there is in the bank. Now, who we are. Over 200 million members worldwide are in MMM, and MMM is in 118 countries. It's the largest donation exchange network in the world. And in 1994, MMM held 1/3 of the entire cash in Russia. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin, which is an encrypted currency, prices are being driven up just because of MMM. MMM ideology. MMM is based on creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue. It's creating a platform where there will be no need to go to banks to borrow money to execute your financial projects. All you need to do is just sit down and join the community. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing help to each other financially on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. As you can see, the other person is transferring money from his own personal account to the other. There is no central account. Now, how does it work? If you look at the dashboard, this is a PO, how a personal office of a participant is. We have the provide help and we have the get help. We have the dashboard, we have the referrals, we have my page, we have Mavro, and we have accounts. Now, when you're about providing help, which is like investing or putting your money into the system, you click on provide help. Now, the get help is all about you taking your money from the system. That's when your Mavro is grown. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment you deposited at the rate of 30%. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, you are being credited with your interest. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. The question now is, where does 30% come from? There is no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donated money, you get rewarded with Mavro. What is now Mavro? Mavro is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It is just a technical term. Programmers can adjust this growth rate of Mavro at any moment. The amount of Mavro depends on the amount you provide. Now, MMM's 30% earning cycle. How does it circulate? Now, you provide help, and which we call PH, and it becomes, that is depositing, it's Q. Now, you're getting help, which is the withdrawal. And as you are withdrawing, you take your profit. Now, the 30% mathematical approach. Provide help. See plenty, provide of 100,000, and how it multiplies to getting help. And you see that as long as there's continuous PHing, providing help, than GHing, MMM will stand. It gets generated within the participant through re-PH from participants in earlier on the queue monthly as the GH, and also through new participants joining the community also. That is where we get what? The provide help. As people keep putting, it keeps queuing up. And as it's queuing up, the 30% gets generated through money that is being paid as it's being what? Generated. The provide help is once the system keeps providing, once people keep providing help and it's more than the getting help, the system becomes stable. Now, the benefits. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth pay per month for your donations. That is what we call growth of Mavro per month. You provide help and you receive help. As you are receiving your 30% more. Registration bonus. There are other packages in the that has been accrued in MMM, which are your registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from $50 to $499, $50 if the donation is from $500 to $299, $100 when the donation exceeds $3,000. You are being given the opportunity to enjoy that as an extra, as a welcome bonus to new participants. Now, we have other programs like the referral program. We call it the referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants you invited. Now, what it means that if you invite somebody into MMM, you get 10% of the person's amount. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development. Now, if you look at the picture, you will notice that the person up is donating to the person down. Now, there are other platforms. Become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn manager's bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level in the structure. So, as you go up, your bonus changes. Now, as you can see, the person up, as a manager, you receive 5% from your first level participant. That is the first set of people that you are getting, you receive 5%. Now, your second level participant, you receive 3%. Your third level, you receive 1%. From them. The fourth level you get 0.5%, the fifth level you get 0.25%, the sixth level you get 0.1%, the seventh level you get 0.05%, the eighth level you get 0.03%, and the next level you get 0.01, and so be it. Now, the risk. MMM is a community of peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants. Connecting a donator to a recipient, that is what they do. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only your spare money. Though, for many years, the operation of the system have proven that the system is reliable, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial, so that people participating in the system will not lose their money. So it has brought out so many mechanisms to help make sure that your money is protected and not sunk. Community building. There are other activities in MMM, such as the community building and development. Only big and fast-growing community can succeed. We provide budget for advertising if you have the managers, which they do. We transfer accounts signed up for advertising under our managers. If you're a guider, you have that opportunity. We even do offline events such as presentation, conferences, seminars, and so on. Even charity events, opening clubs, and so others. Now, MMM rules for safe participation. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as much as you want, but don't operate double accounts. Penalty: all accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. Rule number 2. Do not share your email or bank details with other members. Penalty: you will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule number 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Rule number 4. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty, your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment penalty. Penalty is you will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family member to PH more than you. If they have more than the amount you PH to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guidance link. Penalty, you will be blocked. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH. That is rule 9. Maximum days to write it after your GH is 3 days. Penalty, you will be blocked. So for people trying to, you make sure you do your letter of happiness. Now, MMM in Africa. We have different places that MMM has covered and so many other ones. So perhaps you want to register. You have to register and register.